Yes, sir. Step one, get the backwood going. If you're not getting the backwood going, you're doing it wrong. Yeah, so that's the port that we plug into the wall. Power supply. Open it up and look at them shits. Power supply. Yeah, so now that's the motherboard, Tough Gamer X570. I gotta hook a lot of other stuff to that thing. That's anti-static wrap. I dig how it look. All kind of slots. And right there, that's the Ryzen 7 5800X. The CPU, the brains of the operation. Let's get that deal out the box also. And it do drop right in after you match up the triangles, just like they say. But it ain't really that hard. But when you get it in, you feel like a champ. See? Yeah, I gotta read because I get lost. Still reading. Reading ain't that bad though, because without reading I wouldn't even be bringing y'all this video, because I had to make this computer to edit this video. But I'm getting that RAM in though. That's what that is. That's RAM. That's Corsair RAM. Two 8 gigabyte sticks, and that's my NVMe. More storage for real, and that's a good backwood once again, because along the way, let's get that in there though after we get it out the box and look at them shits. Here I go eating, cause backwoods do that. You hear he cook, cause he all miss a meal. That's why I hope he don't. And here's what we got so far. The CPU in there, the RAM, the NVMe style stashed up in there. I like the way it looked, pretty sexy. Right here we got the Corsair all-in-one CPU cooler to keep the CPU nice and cool, the whole brains of the operation. And now we done cut to where I'm screwing in the last screw on the radiator to the CPU cooler. And now I'm confused. That's my confused look. What is this? What is this? Do this go on this? And what is this? What is this? Let me get this book in this backwood. I'll figure it out. Now we out the box with the Corsair chassis, the T220 Airflow RGB. Another cool case though. Tempered front glass panel, see-through. There's glass on the see-through. Came with 3 fans. Super tight. So there I gotta put stuff in it. Starting with the AO shield. Just snap that right in place. Whenever you can. Then I'm just gonna be wiggling wires, I guess. Wiggle a wire here. Now I'm gonna throw this motherboard off up in there. There she go. Nice and gentle. And now I'ma screw it in. It was 9 screws. Pretty simple task that was. Now I'm shirtless because it done got late. I'm sitting there because I had to take the fans off the radiator and put them on right because I had them on wrong. And here it go. I guess it done got, it's gone to sleep. Back to it in the AM. But there it go. Nice. I've been working hard on that deal. Right there, that's that GPU. 3060 RTX. Graphics card. That's the muscle of the whole operation. I call it the arm and leg. That's what that bitch calls. There she go in there though. Now I just gotta plug everything up. I hope it come on. So yeah, here I am in the done. Peeling the plastic off. After some days. All praise to the most high living God of Israel that there it go working.